So here's our first male nurse, St. Camillus de Leis, who was born in 1550 and died in 1614, so about 400 years ago. He was a Roman Catholic priest who made a religious group who helped to take care of the sick. He's the official saint of the sick, hospitals and nurses, and he was also a famous soldier, where his experience in wars helped him create this group of healthcare workers or nurses who would help soldiers on the battlefield. So he'd go onto the battlefield and help those who were injured or sick. As you can see from this picture here, the large red cross on their clothing is an iconic symbol of charity and service today. So there's a charity called the Red Cross, and they help people across the world. And basically that symbol of the Red Cross all started from this man here. So the next person we have is Edward Leon, who helped male nurses to present them with an opportunity to hold higher positions in the army nursing services. So there were obviously male nurses in the army, but they were basically they weren't very important jobs. So they were only given jobs like pharmacy technicians or orderlies, whereas because of him, now those nurses can hold higher ranks and have more important jobs. So the final one we're looking at is Joe Hogan and his fight for equal rights. So basically he was already working as a supervisor in a hospital, but he wasn't like a nurse or a doctor. So then after he started working there, he decided that he wanted to be a nurse. So he wanted to get a degree in nursing because that was the best way to do it. There were no universities near to him that would that had a degree in nursing. So the closest one was the University for Women. But because he was a man, he couldn't join. So basically he fought for the right to say that actually males or men can be nurses just like women. And he won that argument, and obviously now you are seeing more and more male nurses because of him. So our main task is, and the issue that we are going to be debating is, should nurses be men or women? So I want you to decide what side you want to be on. Would you say men should be nurses or women, or would you even argue both, that both could be? So I would like you to write your ideas down and either post a picture or even say your ideas in a video. You can look at ideas online if you want to, but just have a think about why men should just be nurses, why women should just be nurses, or why can't both be.